What is up, guys, and welcome to another video. So we are 1 day and 6 hours away from the next Bitcoin halving. And I think looking at the chart right now, we are still in an overall downtrend on the weekly time frame. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you very important levels, guys. Same analysis, but we are 2 days or 1 day and 6 hours away from the next Bitcoin halving. So this is very critical. The next 48 to 72 hours, I think we are going to see that final shakeout. So let me show you the chart here, guys. Now on the weekly time frame of the Bitcoin's chart. And as what you can see here, using chart prime oscillator, Bitcoin possible double top here forming on chart prime oscillator, guys. And we have hit that overbought area recently when Bitcoin was trading at around 72,000 level, guys. This was the top, possible top here, local top for Bitcoin. And if we are going to measure the Fibonacci retracement level from this swing low level here at $15,000 up to the swing high, which is around 73-ish thousand dollar, that 50,000 to 55,000 target for the final shakeout was actually very conservative, guys, because that level is around the 38.2 Fibonacci level, which is the first level here for the Fibonacci retracement. This is very, very conservative. But looking at the weekly time frame, this will serve as the major support, guys. Major support for Bitcoin. We don't have much support along the way here. In the previous level here, we have seen Bitcoin went on parabolic from 42 up to the $73,000. And right now, 3 consecutive weeks of red candle, guys. So this is looking bearish for me on the weekly time frame. And right now, it looks like that we might feel this fair value gap right here on the weekly time frame, and that will give us the 50,000 level, which I have shared with you guys on my Twitter account, which I have been predicting when we are 2 weeks away from the next Bitcoin halving. So this is, again, very, very conservative target, 38.2. So these are the retracement levels, possible target for retracement for Bitcoin, guys. And look at this. We have actually very good support trend line here. Look at that. First tap into the support, second tap right here, and this could be the third tap if Bitcoin dropped to the 61.8, which is the Fibonacci golden ratio, and that is actually gonna shit majority of the bulls out, because this is around $37,700. So major support on the weekly time frame remains at the 50%, which is around 44,000. But again, I'm going to remain conservative here. My target remains at 50,000, guys. So 3 bearish candle here, and I think I'm expecting one huge candle drop here that would possibly bring Bitcoin down to 50,000 level. So again, same analysis, guys. Nothing's changed. Market has been consolidating for the past 3 weeks. And look at this 3 weekly or bearish candle here. So I know majority are still bullish, but looking at the chart on the weekly time frame, bigger time frames, I still see that Bitcoin is still looking towards the downside here, and the oscillator is still looking pretty weak. Of course, I'm using Chart Prime Oscillator Pro. If you want to take advantage of this oscillator, guys, I think this is one of the best paid indicator in the market right now. If you want to take advantage of it, feel free to check out the link in the description down below. You can get up to 7 days free trial, and of course you can also get up to 50% discount, guys. And actually, I would like to open one trade right now on my Fairdesk account. So I'm going to share with you the previous updates. I'm going to share with you today, guys, the previous trades that I have made on my Fairdesk account. Of course, those are the previous live trades that I've shared with you as well. So today I'm going to share with you the update. Previously, we have shorted Bitcoin at 72,800, and I think I've closed around 66,000. Today I'm going to share with you the actual numbers, and another I have shorted Bitcoin on the lower time frames at around 66,000. So let's go check it out. All right, so here's my Fairdesk account, guys. This was the previous short at $72,800, and I was able to close a trade at around 66,000. And we have made like around $9,300 on this trade. And recently, I have made another trade. I have shorted Bitcoin. This is actually shorter time frame. So shorted Bitcoin at 63,200, closed at 61. So we have made 1,600 USDT on this one. And right now, I've actually opened one position right now. So I've shorted Bitcoin at around 63,300. So this was the chart, guys. Previously, I've discussed the possible break of support here that initiated our short position, guys. Second short position. So the first short position was around 72,000, and another one here when we see that break of support trend line, we have shorted Bitcoin. And right now, I think Bitcoin is retesting this possible previous support, guys. So possible retest. I think also this could trap majority of the bulls, guys. So this 200 exponential moving average remains my target and support for Bitcoin, which is around 50,000 up to 52,300 level. So this zone right here. So this will be the first support and possible target for this drop, guys. And again, not a financial advice. I could be wrong. And of course, always manage your own risk. I think if Bitcoin will be rejected from this level right here, if you're going to look at the 4-hour time frame, let's go check it. Let's go check it out. Lower time frames. So the reason why I shorted Bitcoin is because right now the price is actually on the resistance level here on the 4-hour time frames, and we could get a possible rejection here, and we could also see a possible breakout above the resistance trend line, but we have this 200 exponential moving average that will act as a resistance for Bitcoin. So in validation, if Bitcoin breaks above this previous highs here at around $68,000 for Bitcoin. So this is going to be my invalidation for my short position in the shorter time frames, because if Bitcoin will be able to break above, guys, then Bitcoin could flip this 200 exponential moving average as a support and continue to move up, which we don't like, because right now I am on a short position. So I am expecting a possible rejection from this level, or probably if the price continues to move higher, then we have another resistance here, which is the 200 exponential moving average at around 66,130. So that's it for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video and if you want to trade with me on Fairdesk, feel free to use my referral link in the description down below. That will help the channel, and of course that will help me to do more contents as well. So that's it. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and of course I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.